Are you ready to go shopping for Eid?
Yes, I'm so excited.
What do you need to buy?
New clothes and some gifts.
Which mall should we go to?
Let's go to the biggest one.
Do you have a budget?
Yes, I don't want to overspend.
What color do you want for your outfit?
I think blue or white.
Should we buy matching clothes?
That's a great idea.
Do you prefer traditional or modern outfits?
I like traditional for Eid.
Have you made a shopping list?
Yes, I wrote down everything.
What should we buy first?
Let's start with clothes.
Should we buy new shoes too?
Yes, Eid is special.
Do you need accessories?
Yes, maybe a handbag.
Should we buy something for the house?
Yes, some decorations.
How many gifts do you need?
At least 5 for family.
What should we buy for the kids?
Toys and chocolates.
Do you like this dress?
Yes, it looks beautiful.
Should we check another store?
Yes, let's compare prices.
Do you want to buy perfume?
Yes, I need a new one.
What about some sweets for Eid?
Yes, let's buy some.
Do you want to take a break?
Yes, let's have some coffee.
How much have you spent so far?
I think I'm still under budget.
Should we get matching jewelry?
That would be nice.
Do you think this outfit suits me?
Yes, it looks great on you.
How many stores have we visited?
At least 5.
Should we buy some henna?
Yes, that's a must for Eid.
Are you enjoying shopping? Yes, I love it. Do we need more decorations?
Maybe some lights.
Should we buy matching scarves?
Yes, that's a great idea.
Are you tired now?
A little, but I'm happy.
Do you think we got everything?
Yes, I think we are done.
Ready to go home?
Yes, I can't wait for Eid.
When does Ramadan start?
It starts when the new moon is sighted.
What is the first meal before fasting called?
It's called suhoor.
What time do we stop eating in the morning?
Before Fajr prayer.
How long do we fast?
From dawn to sunset.
What is the meal called when we break the fast?
It's called Iftar.
What do people usually eat first for Iftar?
Dates and water.
How do you feel on the first day of fasting?
A little hungry but happy.
What is the purpose of fasting?
To purify the soul and get closer to Allah.
Can children fast?
Yes, but it's not required for young kids.
What prayers are special during Ramadan?
Taraweeh prayers at night.
What should we avoid while fasting?
Eating, drinking, and bad behavior.
What time is Iftar today?
At sunset, around 6:30 p.m.
Can I brush my teeth while fasting?
Yes, but don't swallow water.
What happens if I forget and eat something?
It's okay, fasting continues.
What is the reward of fasting?
Allah gives many blessings.
Can I fast if I am sick?
No, you can make up for it later.
What is the best thing to do while fasting?
Pray, read Quran, and help others.
Do all Muslims fast?
Yes, except for those who are sick, elderly, or traveling.
Can we drink water while fasting?
No, not until Iftar.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. I'm hosting an iftar party tomorrow.
That sounds amazing. What time?
It's at 7 p.m. Would you like to join?
Of course, I'd love to.
Great. Can you make it by 7 o'clock?
Yes, I'll be there on time.
What would you like me to bring?
I can bring dessert or drinks, whatever you need.
You don't need to bring anything, just yourself.
That's so kind of you. I'll bring something anyway.
I'm preparing chicken kebabs and biryani.
Yum, that sounds delicious.
I'll also have fruit chaat and dates.
Perfect. I love fruit chaat.
I'll be making some samosas too.
Oh, I'm excited for those.
What time do you usually break your fast?
Around 6:45, but I'll wait until you're ready.
Will you be fasting tomorrow?
Yes, inshallah.
Are you coming with your family?
Yes, my husband and kids will join too.
That's great. More people, more fun.
Absolutely, I'm sure it'll be a blast.
Should I prepare anything special for the kids?
Maybe some mini pizzas or chicken nuggets for them.
That's a great idea. I'll get that ready.
Awesome, I'm sure they'll love it.
Do you have any dietary preferences?
No, nothing specific. Just no seafood, please.
Don't worry. I won't be serving any seafood.
Perfect, thank you.
Are you looking forward to the party?
Definitely, I love spending time with you all.
Will your kids be fasting too?
They'll fast part of the day, just a few hours.
That's great. It's good to teach them early.
Yes, they're excited for it.
Do you need directions to my house?
I know the way, but thanks for offering.
Are you bringing any games or activities for the kids?
Yes, I'll bring a few board games and toys.
Wonderful. We'll have a great time, inshallah.
For sure, I'm really looking forward to it.
Do you want me to set up a prayer space?
That would be great. I'll need to pray before eating.
I've already set up a space for prayers in the living room.
Thanks so much. That's very thoughtful.
What's your favorite iftar dish?
I love chicken kebabs and dates, especially.
I'll make sure there's plenty of those for you.
You're too kind. Thank you.
I can't wait to see you tomorrow.
Me too. It's going to be so much fun.
I'll see you at 7 o'clock, inshallah.
Inshallah, I'll be there on time.
All right. See you then. Have a blessed Ramadan.
Same to you. See you tomorrow.
Let me know in the comments which sentence was your favorite, or share your practice sentences with me. How was your fast today?
It was good, but I felt a little thirsty.
What did you eat for iftar?
I started with dates and water, then had some fruit chot.
Did you enjoy the food?
Yes, everything tastes delicious after fasting.
What's your favorite iftar dish?
I love samosas and pakoras.
How's the biryani?
It's amazing. You cooked it perfectly.
Do you want more curry?
Yes, just a little, please.
Would you like some more rice?
No, I'm already full.
Did you drink enough water?
Not yet. I need to drink more.
Did you drink enough water?
Not yet. I need to drink more.
How do you feel after eating?
I feel much better now.
Did you enjoy the soup?
Yes, it was very comforting.
Do you want another piece of bread?
No, thanks. I've had enough.
How was your day while fasting?
It was a little tiring, but peaceful.
Did you have any cravings today?
Yes, I really wanted something sweet.
Do you want dessert now?
Yes, what do we have?
There's custard and dates.
I'll have some custard, please.
How was your Taraweeh prayer yesterday?
It was beautiful. I felt so calm.
Are you going for Taraweeh tonight?
Yes, after finishing dinner.
What was the best part of today's meal?
The kebabs were my favorite.
Did you help with cooking today?
Yes, I made the salad.
Do you think we should prepare something different tomorrow?
Yes, let's try a new dish.
How was the lemonade?
It was so refreshing.
Do you feel sleepy after eating?
A little, but I need to stay awake for prayers.
Should we have tea now?
Yes, a cup of tea would be nice. Do you want sugar in your tea? Just a little, please.
Did you eat enough protein today?
Yes, I had chicken and lentils.
Are you looking forward to suhoor?
Yes, I need to plan what to eat.
How was your energy level today?
I felt a little weak in the afternoon.
What's your plan for tomorrow?
I want to read more Quran and rest.
Would you like some more fruit?
No, I'm completely full now.
Alhamdulillah, that was a great meal.
Yes, Alhamdulillah, may Allah accept our fast.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more English learning videos.